Aloha guys, Scuba Chris. When you start acquiring a lot of equipment, especially reels that cost a lot of money, I mean, our fishing gear is part of what we do. It's no different than golfing gear. So I would like to register my products with your insurance company. That way, if anything gets stolen, at least you got a record of it. So take a good reel like this. This is an Okuma Tesoro. This is a great reel. So to register this, on the bottom, right there, are the numbers. See that? That is the stock number or serial number for this unit, and it's good to write that down. All right, the first four numbers, 4316. Now you remember, this is an Okuma product. Every company has their own way of doing it, but the number is 4316. Let me tell you what this means. 43 are the first two numbers. That represents the year, all right? So what's gonna happen is that Okuma will start from the year 2000. So you have to remember, you got to minus 25 off the first two numbers. So 43 minus 25. Okay, the difference is 18. That means this was produced the 18th year in the year 2000. So 2018. Okay, that's two other numbers. 16 is 4316. So 16 are the weeks. So this was produced in the 16th week of 2018. It seems to be complicated, but after a while you get used to the system. Okay, the last three numbers, 090, that represents how many models were made in that week. So that says that this is the 90th, the 90th model that was made in that week. So there you have it. This reel here was made and produced by Okuma. This one was most likely in Taiwan, and this was produced the 16th week of 2018 and was the 90th model made that year. So that's how you can tell what the numbers mean, at least for Okuma. I'm not sure about the other companies, but it's still a good idea to go ahead and write down the numbers, so in case something ever happens, you have numbers to give to the police department or your insurance companies. All right, thanks.